Serendipity Searcher was developed for the National University Library of Slovenia, and it's an installation done for the design biennial with an attempt to create access to the database of very valuable holdings of NUK. It is showcasing a variety of special collections ranging from postcards, posters and other visually very appealing materials that are usually accessible by standard browsing and search engines. So this acts sort of as a new way of searching the materials through physical browsing and by connecting items visually, meaning that the items that appear on the display are connecting through chance encounters, connecting visual interactions and visual narratives, linking images based on physical and visual properties, allowing you to access materials that you normally wouldn't access just by keywords, subjects, chronology, alphabetical order, authors, years, and other usual inquiries. How it works, it is positioned as a physical display, attempting to create a social experience in the actual building of the library, which is done by a famous architect, and it's a sort of a monumental architectural building by Jože Plečnik. So it's positioned in a way that it's functioning as a sort of an alienated object, however, working well in the actual space of the library, and it showcases, which is visible through polarized filters, a collection of 16 items at a time, and the search starts once the visitor is interested or appealed with a specific image. So if we would be interested in the image of illustration, we would select it and select another one that is based here. And it generates a collection of linked images based on visual properties. So it would read either magazines or things that are based on the same illustration. So you need to kind of search out the remaining connections made. So by connecting the images that appear, choosing the one of your interest, a storyline appears that is also addressing something that's featured on any of the images. It could be the way that it is illustrated, the technique that it's made with, or an image of a figure of a portrait that it is displaying. So by using the remaining plates, you would investigate the remaining parts of the display and have it showcased in front of you. The visual connections are there to inspire you and maybe create chance encounters that wouldn't normally happen through a regular search base.